Welcome to today's video where we will tackle a problem involving graph analysis in R. The problem we have at hand is finding a list of all nodes that are on the perimeter of a given graph. It's an interesting problem that can arise in various network analysis scenarios. Now let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. The first approach involves using the distances function, which might be memory unfriendly but gets the job done efficiently. By utilizing this function, we can extract the outer nodes by sorting unique values found at the maximum distance from any node in the graph. This method offers a quick one-liner solution to identify the perimeter nodes. Continuing with the solution, another effective approach is to leverage the eccentricity function. This method proves to be more efficient than using distances and provides a straightforward way to determine the nodes located on the perimeter of the graph. By calculating the eccentricity of each node and selecting the ones with a maximum eccentricity value, we can easily identify the outer nodes. In summary, we explored two different methods to find the nodes on the perimeter of a graph in R. Both approaches offer efficient ways to tackle the problem, providing insights into the structure of the network. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe for more tech-related content. Like if you enjoyed the video, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.